Wazuma V8M. With a screaming V8 engine that produces more than 250 horsepower, the Wazuma V8M can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a staggering 2.7 seconds on the acceleration scale. The opulent inside has premium materials and cutting-edge technology, while the external design is sleek and futuristic, which attracts attention to the body of the vehicle. On the road or the track, this quad-bike-meets-supercar provides sensations that are unmatched in terms of its adrenaline-fueled excitement. The Wazuma V8M also comes with a hefty price tag of around $250,000, since it is an exclusive model. Kenner Velomobile. With its futuristic appearance and environmentally responsible design, the Kenner Velomobile is a game-changer in the realm of urban transportation. It has a range of up to 100 miles on a single charge and is powered by a powerful electric motor, allowing it to go through the streets of the city without making any noise. The inside of this vehicle is designed to offer the driver a comfortable and ergonomic area, while the outside is sleek with aerodynamic curves. For commuters who are concerned about the environment and are looking for a solution that combines efficiency, sustainability, and contemporary design, the Kenner Velomobile provides an affordable option that's also fashionable. Its price is around $10,000. Volkswagen Hover Car. With its ability to defy gravity and conventional transportation, the Volkswagen Hover Car ushers in a new era of mobility. Because it's propelled by electromagnetic fields, it's able to smoothly hover above the ground, so removing the friction and emissions that are often used. It's equipped with a powerful electric motor that allows it to reach a speed of 60 miles per hour in only 3.7 seconds, providing riders with an exhilarating journey. In contrast to the inside, which has cutting-edge technology and exquisite comfort, the outside of this vehicle emanates a futuristic beauty that is minimalistic. Featuring options for autopilot as well as various safety measures, it guarantees a ride that is both straightforward and risk-free. Although it's still in the process of being developed, the Volkswagen Hover Car is expected to have a price range between $50,000 and $70,000. eFOLDi Lite. With a range of up to 14 miles on a single charge, the eFOLDi Lite comfortably travels at speeds up to 8 miles per hour and is powered by a lithium battery that is both sturdy and long-lasting. Its sleek and foldable appearance makes it simple to carry and store, making it a great choice for those who live in urban areas. In order to provide a pleasant ride, it has ergonomic seats and controls that are easy to understand. But that's not all. This product provides both convenience and safety because of its extra features, which include LED lights, a horn, and handlebars that can be adjusted. Overall, with an affordable price tag of around $1,500, the eFOLDi Lite is a solution that is both accessible and inventive for meeting the requirements of personal transportation devices. Zoom shoes. Zoom shoes are a game-changer in the realm of urban mobility thanks to their cutting-edge design and environmentally responsible performance. Thus, users are able to ride at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour with these slim shoes, which are powered by powerful electric motors. The inside of these products is designed to be comfortable and safe for consumers of any age, while the outside has a minimalistic appearance that emanates contemporary elegance. Not only are they reasonably priced at around $500, but they also provide an approachable and environmentally friendly alternative to conventional modes of transportation. ETA Bike. ETA Bike is able to achieve speeds up to 30 miles per hour, thanks to its powerful electric motor, which enables it to provide travel that's both quick and efficient while producing no emissions. The inside of this vehicle offers a pleasant and ergonomic riding experience, while the outside of the vehicle is aerodynamic and has a futuristic appearance. It enhances both economy and convenience by incorporating cutting-edge technology such as regenerative braking and intelligent networking. In addition to being priced affordably at around $2,500, the ETA bike offers a solution that's quite sustainable for urban commuting. Schiller Water Bike. The Schiller Water Bike is the epitome of aquatic adventure thanks to its cutting-edge design and exhilarating performance. It's propelled by pedal power, and it glides smoothly over water surfaces at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour. The outer design is both elegant and solid, which guarantees that it's stable and durable. Additionally, the ergonomic seating ensures that it's comfortable even during long rides. Furthermore, it's designed to provide the highest possible level of performance and durability with features such as handlebars that can be adjusted in a frame that's resistant to corrosion. Despite its price tag of over $6,000, the Schiller Water Bike offers an unparalleled combination of thrill, mobility, and quality, making it an indispensable piece of equipment for water enthusiasts all over the world. Trigo. The revolutionary design and unrivaled adaptability of the Trigo push the boundaries of what's possible in terms of urban transportation. This electric quadricycle has a dual powertrain system that combines electric motors with a range-extending engine. It's capable of traveling up to 80 kilometers on a single charge. Its appearance is nimble and small, which allows it to adapt without difficulty to the packed streets of the city, while the inside is roomy and contemporary, which guarantees that passengers are comfortable and convenient. In addition, Trigo provides a look into the future of transportation by incorporating cutting-edge technology like swiveling wheels that make parking easier and characteristics that allow for autonomous driving. It's priced competitively at around $10,000 and offers a solution that's both accessible and environmentally beneficial for urban commuters. Veteran patent. In the realm of off-road vehicles, the Chem Veteran patent stands out as a cutting-edge model that successfully combines rough performance with contemporary comfort. In addition to having remarkable towing and payload capacity, it's equipped with a powerful engine that generates more than 400 horsepower, making it capable of traversing any terrain with ease. The exterior is elegant and emanates strength and durability, while the inside is large and provides opulent amenities and cutting-edge technology to ensure a pleasant trip. With a peak speed of 100 miles per hour, it combines power and agility, making it a great vehicle for excursions that are full of excitement. Therefore, off-road fans who are looking for a vehicle that combines durability, capability, and style in a single package will find the Chem Veteran Pack to be an excellent deal, attractively priced at $50,000. Poimo. With a cruising speed of up to 12 miles per hour and being powered by an electric motor, Poimo is a practical and environmentally beneficial method of transportation for journeys that are relatively short in the city. When it comes to storage, its inflated construction guarantees that it's both lightweight and small, making it ideal for commuters who have restricted space requirements. The elegant outside design is complemented by a comfy and ergonomic interior that has changeable seats for a more customized level of comfort. With a price tag of around $2,000, Poimo offers a cutting-edge and easily accessible solution for last-mile transportation. FreeCar e-bike. Powered by an electric engine, the FreeCar e-bike is capable of reaching speeds up to 28 miles per hour, making it a travel option that's both quick and efficient while producing no emissions. Despite the fact the inside is ergonomically designed to give a pleasant riding experience, the outside design is sleek and oozes fashionable elegance. Every trip is certain to be dependable and convenient, because of its features, which include regenerative braking and a battery life that lasts for an extended period of time. Overall, the free car e-bike is priced reasonably at around $5,000. LSEV 3D printed as the world's first mass-produced 3D printed electric automobile. The LSEV is a wonder of ingenuity that's going to reshape the automotive industry. This environmentally friendly automobile has a range of up to 93 miles on a single charge, and it's driven by a high-performance electric engine. In other words, its structure is lightweight yet strong. The inside is roomy and comfy, and it offers a variety of configurable choices to cater to the interest of each person. Also, the outside design is both modern and pleasant. In addition, the LSEV has cutting-edge safety features and intelligent connection, which together provide for a driving experience that's absolutely flawless. Furthermore, it's a cost-effective and environmentally friendly vehicle for the transportation demands of the modern day, and it marks a big leap forward in automobile technology and is priced inexpensively at around $12,000. And that wraps things up. We appreciate you watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.